Hello, welcome to Chapter 9. Today we're going to learn how to add activities to our Salesforce. Activities are tasks and events that you want to record that lets you know your steps to achieving that opportunity, that sale. Now, you can add a activity to an account, contact, a lead, an opportunity. We're going to show you how to do it in accounts, but it works the exact same no matter where you add that task or that activity. Now, we're going to click on accounts. We're going to go into an account. We're going to scroll down and we're going to see open activities page. Now, this is going to give you a listing of all the activities for that account and the ability to make new tasks and new events. We're going to go ahead and do that right now. We're going to add new task. Now, tasks are good for phone calls and those brief interactions you have with a customer. Anything more than that, a meeting, whether it be by phone or web, you want to add an event. So I'm going to add in the subject, and the subject can be whatever you want to be. Now, say that this task is not for me, and I want to assign this task to someone else. Well, I can click on the search box, and I can find another user and click on him. Now, in the due date, I want to put the day that I need to do this task. I'm going to skip ONVC again. I'm going to add any comments I need to right here. Now, right now we have this task is related to this account, but if I wanted to, I can relate it to an opportunity. Now, the name that this task is related to, I can also find a contact or a lead. Search for that as well. And I'm going to put this related to Jim Smith. And this is automatically going to add this task also under the contact page. I can put the status of this. If I'm talking to him on the phone right now, I can put it in progress. I can set a priority. And again, I can set myself a reminder, just to remind myself to give this person a phone call. Now, if this is something that I want to do on a regular basis, I can click on Create Reoccurring Series. And this is going to allow me to be able to do it every day, weekly, monthly, yearly, however I want to calculate it. I can also send myself an email. So when I make a task, this lets me know, hey, I made a task. I click on Save, and I'm all done. Now, when you make a task, you have a choice of creating a task, creating an event, or setting a meeting. And it all works exactly the same. When you set a meeting, you're able to set the length of time that you want to set that meeting for. And when you set a meeting request, you're able to put in an email address and send that other person a copy of that meeting request, just like if you were in Outlook. In a future chapter, we're also going to talk about how to link your Salesforce to Outlook. So you'll be able to take the activities and events that you do in your Outlook and move them easily into Salesforce, and if you want, vice versa. Again, this works the same if you make an activity under accounts, under leads, or under opportunities. This concludes Chapter 9 of how to add and update your activities.